Good morning guys, in front of me is Nothing Phone 3A, and let me show you how to do the fingerprint. At first, open the settings, then find and select security and privacy, scroll down, mark device unlock and choose fingerprint. At first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern, so just draw the unlock pattern, mark next, re-enter it, confirm. And here you can manage notification content if you want, mark done. And it's time to set up fingerprint. Mark setup, and here you've got fingerprint sensor, so just grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Lift your finger up, then place it on the sensor till it's done. You'll be informed on the screen. And that's it. As you can see, from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.